Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to plan and schedule Instagram content. If you have a post but you want to post it later, you want to scheduleize it, in this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram app, and after that you have to open it. Once the app gets open, you have to click on the plus icon and simply import the file that you want to upload. Once you have get the image or the video, you can edit, like add sounds and everything. Then once you get onto this page, you have to scroll down and click on this option, more options. There you will see the option for schedule the post. Simply enable this option, like toggle it on, and then you will have the date, hour, minute, and am and pm. Now you can set the time as per your preferences. Whatever date, time, minute you would like to add, simply do it. And after that, you have to simply get back and click on schedule. So after that, whenever the time comes, the time you have set as a schedule, the post will be uploaded on its own. So that's how you will be able to plan and schedule post on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.